Apart from its history, nature also provides visitors to Kinmen with many surprises. Geological formations along the coast have created scenic wonders such as basalt beachfronts and the Maogongshi rock formations. The southwest coast of Wo-yuan is littered with basalt boulders, which have broken off from Qingqi Nanshan Peak. The formation of basalt was a result of magma cooling rapidly as it surged upward. It contracted to create these majestic rock sections that at first sight look like monumental sculptures. Erosion on the softer sedimentary rock at the base of these structures excavated hollows that caused the basalt cliffs to collapse. The debris of the collapsed cliffs litter the beach or have formed rocky beachfronts. The Maogongshi formations can be seen along the coast between Putou and Huangchuo. There are many of the red bee-hived stone structures. These rocks, cemented with red ferrous material, are scattered across over a kilometer of beach. They were named Maogongshi by local inhabitants. Maogongshi can mostly be found in the intertidal area. The rocks vary in size, and their color varies from reddish-brown to dark brown. When the tide ebbs, they emerge from the water, creating a wondrous sight that is much praised for its scenic beauty.